Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to bulk scan posts by keyword using the MKT UID software. So first we need to open the software and I'll click on the Scan Posts feature. Next, I'll select the Scan Post List feature. Here you can refer to the configuration I'm using right here. For each keyword, if you want to scan a certain number of posts, just enter the quantity here. You can scan by keyword, scan by profile, scan by page, scan by group, or scan by community. Here I'll choose to scan by keyword. So you just need to enter the keyword here. Just type in the keyword you want to scan right here. For example, to travel work. After entering the keyword, you'll choose how many posts to scan for each keyword by entering the number here. And here you can choose either to randomly select posts or to get the newest posts. Here you can scan by profile, by group, or by fan page. Just check the option here for whatever you want to scan. After you finish setting up the configuration, select your account and click Start, and the software will automatically scan 50 posts for each keyword. Here, I've already entered the quantity here. After the scan is complete, I'll export it to an Excel file. That's right, I'll export the data to an Excel file. Here, upon successful execution, it will provide us with comprehensive and detailed analytical data, much like the extensive information presented in this particular format, which includes various metrics and insights. First, it will show the person who posted. Second, the post ID. Third, the content of the post. Fourth, the number of likes, number of comments, number of shares, and the posting time. So you can refer to it here. So after you have a data file like this with the people who posted, if you want to message or send friend requests to those who made these posts, you can use the software's tool that supports automatically messaging according to this UID list. If you want a tool like this, please contact me. My contact information is provided below. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.